Software helps advance the drone usage for a lot of various reasons. I'd say the first thing is drone operators, the first thing that they need to do when they're about to start an operation is understand, are they able to fly in that airspace? So they're able to open up different apps, different resources to check and see the different state, local, and federal rules to ensure that they can take off and land in that area and that they actually have the access to the airspace. So software right now is taking a process which could take generally 60 to 90 days to get a waiver to fly in controlled airspace, and now we're able to do it through software integrations in as little as a few seconds. It's almost real-time, instantaneous authorization so that these drone operators can get up, get moving, and complete their operation for their client in a pretty much real-time manner.